Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Tom Sykes. I'm a TV cameraman and I also run a company called Solo 16 Broadcast. We have a small TV studio which I'm talking to you from in now, and we primarily offer live streaming services for both television and the corporate market. I'm putting together this series of videos to explore how SpaceX's Starlink satellite network can be used for live broadcast. Do check out my other Starlink films. It's also worth liking and subscribing to my channel, and to be notified of new videos, hit the bell icon. I now have a travel case sorted. I've built a roof mount to go on my van. And I've just bought a high gain router which should extend the Wi-Fi range to around 600 feet. Purely from a speed point of view, it appears Starlink is good enough now for TV and web streams. For uploading your rushes or edited package, it's fantastic. When using the service for live streaming, there appears to be an algorithm which causes the speed to yo-yo. This means that rather than giving you a fairly constant 9 meg, it randomly drops down to maybe 4 meg or sometimes lower and then back up again. The thought process is that this has been implemented to make streaming video a challenge and to potentially differentiate it from the forthcoming business version of the service. Today I ran a 30-minute test stream using just Starlink via Wi-Fi through my LiveView Solo, and you can see the data results on screen now. This is a 30-minute window sped up. The data rate from Starlink varied a huge amount. It dropped to just under 1 meg once, but averaged around 8 meg. Interestingly, despite my only using the one connection, the broadcast never dropped off air. This is a real testament to LiveView's technology, as I had no other connections in the mix to allow it to bond. Not sure I want to risk Starlink on its own for a TV broadcast as it is now though. If you're bonding the stream or TV broadcast and have a reliable 4G connection, then you'll be fine. If using LiveView's broadcast encoders, you can set the unit to run with Ethernet priority and only use the 4G if the Ethernet speed drops. But if you have 4G coverage, why would you also need the Starlink? Others have found a way to either trick Starlink to see the usage is not streamed video, or find a way to level out the spikes so the service can be used on its own as a data source when no 4G is available. For me, finding a solution that allows the Starlink system to provide a stable and reliable feed, ideally around 10 meg, is crucial, but my IT knowledge is not great at all. So if you have any suggestions, please do let me know below. Not at all. It's an amazing resource to provide an internet connection when no 4G is available, and it does work for live broadcast, but the algorithm makes it not as stable as it could be. So is Starlink suitable for live streaming? Yes, it is, but I would suggest always bonding with at least one backup connection. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for my future videos. Bye for now.